What's going on, guys? We're out here today with Cedric's 2000 Civic. Has a D16 Y8 in it. What we're gonna do is just add some new parts onto it today. Adding his Momo wheel, Circuit Hero hub, new outer tie rods and ball joints, new thermostat housing along with a thermostat. I'm also gonna put on a DC header and a custom built exhaust that he had from a local shop in town. Cedric plans to take this car out to some ASR events. He also daily drives it. So we're gonna try getting it a little bit better set up today and get all these parts installed on his coupe. Alright, so the ball joints and the tie rods are done. We also raised his coilovers a little bit. It looked like it was sitting a little bit lower in the front, just to help even out the height and also the ride quality. And we're going to move on to some of these other parts. Unfortunately, we can't get the exhaust on today. We were looking at it. This came off a K-swapped EK. And so where they constructed the front, it doesn't have the little piece which normally on an exhaust like this, it'll have the little adapter, which is like a three bolt flange. So this one came straight off the K-swapped header. It won't bolt up to his cat that we have on there. So we're gonna have to leave this for another time. I told him to buy a test pipe that'll fit this perfectly and have a muffler shop change out this flange, and then he can still use it. It's a nice looking, well-built exhaust, built by one of the shops here in town called Dizzy Engines. Looks really cool. I told him to keep it. Looks solid, and hopefully it sounds really nice. So we're gonna work on that DC header, get that put on. Then we'll probably do the rear camber kit. I'll probably actually work on that while he's working on the header. And then lastly, we'll work on the steering wheel. got a little dark on us, but got that wheel installed. Real nice looking wheel. A Circuit Hero hub. Really cool as well. And then of course, we adjusted the height. We brought it up a little bit. It actually looks much better in comparison to the rear. And you got that header on, cleaned it up. He already has AM intake on there, so engine bay looks a little bit nicer now with additional accessories. Still got some things to button up in terms of finishing up that engine bay. And being that it's a daily driver, probably put the AC back into this car. That way it can be a dual purpose car. Have a little bit of fun with it and also take it to the track and just have it a little more sporty than what it is. Thanks for tagging along today, guys. Hopefully we see more of this car in the future. Hoping to get out to the track sometime this year, maybe 1 or 2 events. Just have a little bit of fun and we can do a little bit of racing with some of the friends out there. We'll see you guys next time. You take care.